How to set work profile on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you guys can set up work profile on your Android. Now before we begin, if you're new, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your settings. So locate the settings app and then open it up. After you open it up, scroll down. If you have a new updated versions of the Android, you will see a Google option in your settings. Head over to Google. After you're on your Google, you'll find All Services. Tap on All Services right below the Google account. And now scroll down. After you scroll down all the way, you'll find an option that says Set up your work profile. Tap on Set up your work profile. Then tap on Next. Then it can take a few moments, but it should start downloading. And all you have to do is scan or enter the code provided by your IT admin. So let's give it permission for now. Then scan the code, or you can enter code manually. And enter the code and then tap on Next. And follow the prompt to set up the work profile. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.